Welcome back. We're here with our friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are making something tasty today. It's been cold the past couple of days, and there's nothing like a nice, warm, home-cooked meal, Charlene.
That's what I thought. I thought the winter, we need comfort food.
Yes,
so I thought whether it's January or February, we know we're going to have those cold winter days.
Right.
And what better than to have something that fills the kitchen with lots of good smells and then sticks to your ribs.
Sticks to your ribs. I was thinking the exact same thing. Oh my
A
goodness.
beef pot pie. Look at that masterpiece we have
Ooh,
over here.
delicious. Yes.
And I baked that this morning, so that's hot out of the oven because I thought you had to try it while it's nice and hot. But to start with, we have 3/4 of a pound of what you find in the grocery store is diced beef.
Okay, yeah.
So you want to, and I even cut it just a little bit smaller so you have those little pieces of beef. And so I put that in a bowl with 1/4 cup of soy flour blend and then mixed it all together.
Okay.
And then I put that whole mixture, all the flour and everything, even if it wasn't all coated, put that in here and browned it. And you can see that and smell that we're getting. And then I added a 1/2 cup of chopped onion and let that just kind of saute. So we've done that. Now we're going to add 3 cups of
this beef broth?
beef broth.
I wonder why she gave me the
Perfect.
liquid contents this time, Reagan. She usually gives them to you.
I know.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm stepping up my game.
You spill anything on her last time is what I'm thinking. No?
Oh, no.
Oh, and so what we want to do is, as we're stirring this, we're going to loosen all those little brown pieces that were on the bottom of that, and that will give us lots of good flavor in there. So to that now, we're going to add 2 potatoes that I've coarsely chopped. These are peeled. And then you have 2 cups of vegetables. And you can use a package of frozen vegetables, but you could custom make this for your family and use the vegetables that your family likes.
Oh, yeah.
Just use a blend of 2 cups of that. And then we have some salt and pepper.
Very nice.
That's all there is to it. We would put the lid on here now and cook this for about 45 minutes to an hour until that meat is nice and tender. All there is to it. And then we're going to put it into our baking dish, and it'll be a nice thick mixture, and we'll put biscuits on top of it, and it'll bake, and we'll show how to make the biscuits
It's
next.
coming up next half hour. We're gonna assemble everything and make it
Right.
all whole.
Yeah.
All right, Charlene, thanks so much.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.